Welcome to Variations of Planning in Heavy Industry, the capstone of our 5-part introductory series for heavy industry planning basics. Whether you're planning routine maintenance, orchestrating major shutdowns, or managing capital projects, this course is your compass in the complex world of heavy industry planning. As a planner, you're the linchpin between strategy and execution, providing invaluable service to asset management teams and project management offices alike. In this course, we'll explore 3 critical areas of planning: routine maintenance, shutdowns, turnarounds, and outages, and construction and capital projects. While each area has its unique challenges, remember this golden rule. Not all work is planned with the same level of effort, but all work must be planned with the same level of quality and timeliness. This principle will guide you in delivering consistent value across all planning scenarios. You'll master the art of creating detailed plans, precise estimates, and comprehensive job packages. From deciphering work type codes to crafting construction work packages, we've got you covered. Remember, your value as a planner is measurable. Every plan you create, every estimate you refine, contributes directly to the return on investment. This course is your springboard to advanced planning roles. The knowledge you gain here will propel your career forward in heavy industry. We'll start with planning fundamentals for routine maintenance, then dive into the complexities of STO planning, and finally explore the world of construction and capital projects. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped to tackle any planning challenge in heavy industry with confidence and precision. Are you ready to elevate your planning skills and make a measurable impact in heavy industry? Let's begin your advanced planning journey now, and let's dive into our first lesson to explore variations of planning in heavy industry.